Hi guys, Karkas Post here. Today we're up in White's Flare, day one. Let's see what we can get. Wayless, Patrat, Cottony, Tepig, Energy Retrieval, Swana, Eatmore, Stoutland, Minshaw, that looks nice, and a Whimsicott EX of Energy and the code. Thanks guys for watching. Have a nice day and please leave a like, comment and subscribe.